Alrighty guys, welcome aboard. My name's Blake. A couple of quick safety things before we head off. So firstly, in the unlikely event of an emergency, I'll tell you to put a life jacket on. They are located under your seats. Really simple procedure. Head goes through the hole, arms go over the straps, and the waist strap, you just tie it up nice and tight around your waist. Any questions on that? Cool.
What is up, everyone? Nikon here, and welcome back to another episode of The Weekend Warrior. Today it's the Queen's birthday. It's a Monday. It's a public holiday, and right now I am here at the Sydney Harbour. As you can see behind me, that's the Sydney Opera House. I am here with Ocean Extreme, going for whale watching.
This is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it.
So I need everyone to keep their eyes out for the whale. They swim underwater for around 6 to 8 minutes on average. Then they come up, they take multiple breaths on the surface, then they go back down again. What we usually spot first is called the blow, which is when they exhale their old breath. Looks a bit like a puff of smoke shooting out of the water, okay? On these morning trips with the low light, blow really catches the light, it stands out, should catch your attention, looks out of place, okay? That's usually what we spot first. What we also spot sometimes are just massive splashes from when the whales breach. That's when they jump out of the water, okay? They weigh up to 40 tons, so you can imagine the size of that splash. You can see those splashes from a really long way away. As we're cruising along, doesn't matter where you're looking, everyone just keep your eyes out of the boat. If you spot a blow or a splash, give us a big yell and let me know, okay?
There she blows!
There's two pods here. There's one hopefully not too far away, and then there's another one about 200 meters further out.
There was a proof on 130.
What was that?
130.
Yeah.
From
a blow.
Oh yeah, there it was.
Oh, there.
You can stay where you are. We're going to go slow. There's a pod of like 3 or 4 up here, and to get there you've got to go into the wind to get a bit bumpy and then go downwind, so just hold on to the
Over there. Yeah, see the blow?
quite a big pod, guys. your feet. Keep going, keep going. Right here. Plant your feet away and lean hard, that's it.
Right, thank you. So hard when you're small.
Yeah. Yeah, look pretty close. Is that a way? Yep. Whoa.
Whoa!
Could be what we call a competition pod.
If you go to Canada, I never got to know.
Oh!
Slow.
Be alone. But if you go, just spread your wings and I never had to grow. You were never ever out there on your own.
Wow.
Oh wow, that's really
A
close.
few scratches on that one. That's from the barnacles on the other humpback. It's coming closer. It wants a closer look. Hello.
Oh!
It split up from the other one just to come and have a look at us. You'll have its big eye open on this side, having a good look at the boat. There he is. Oh no, that's a different one. Just the one with the scratches. That's the scratched up one that came real close. We might go over to these ones. See if we'll get friendlier. Here we go.
Right behind us as well.
We're Indian whale soup right now. Which one's going to come? That's the $1 million question. That's a cool shot. Yo, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love.
Woohoo! So that's it, guys. We're back here in Sydney Harbor, and it's been a really wild ride. It was really fun. We saw heaps of whales, different pods, but we didn't see any whales breaching. But that's fine. Maybe we'll try again next time. Let's just get a few words from Blake. Mate, this is Blake. He's the owner of Ocean Extreme. So any words for our viewers?
Book online.
Book online, yeah. So if you guys wanna go whale watching, Blake is the man, and Ocean Extreme is his company. oceanextreme.com.au.
Yeah, that's
right?
the one, yeah.
All right, thanks, mate. See you next time.
See you next time.
See you, buddy. All right, thank you guys for watching. My name is Icon, and this is the Weekend Warrior. See ya.
Gotta think